Hello student, I am Meena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and join my channel so that you will get every information in chemistry. Now here coordination chemistry we are discussing and basically complex of nickel. Different complex ligands are seen. Nickel ligand is cyanide ion. Here carbonyl group is ligand and here chloro group is ligand, here in the form of fluoride. Okay, 2 negative. And this will be how much? 2 positive. Okay, here it is 2 negative. Okay, and here 0. Oxidation state of nickel is 0 here. Here chloride ion is acting as ligand and it is known as chloro. Ammonia written as amine. Okay, this is neutral ligand. Now here see NiCN4 2 negative tetracyanonucleate, because negative charge complex is metal androgen 8. Okay, it is dsp2 hybrid, so diamagnetic, all electrons are paired. Why it is so? Because nickel in 2 plus oxidation state, it is 3d8 configuration. All electrons are paired because Cn negative is a strong field ligand, so pairing occurs. Because of pairing, it is colorless salt and diamagnetic. There will be no unpaired electron, so it is diamagnetic as well as it is colorless salt. Ni in 2 plus oxidation state, coordination number 4. Now NiCO whole 4 times CO, we can say tetracarbonyl nickel 0. Why I have written nickel 0? Because 0 oxidation state of nickel is here. Okay, now carbonyl group, this carbonyl ligand is strong field ligand, so pairing occurs. Because of pairing, diamagnetic and colorless. Here see, nickel is in 0 oxidation state, so here argon 18 3d8 4s2. At that moment pairing will be total nickel is having 3d10 4s0. That is why sp3 hybridization will take place. Okay, sp3 hybridized. Since s and p orbitals are available. Now NiCN4 2 negative, oxidation state of nickel is 2 here. So here the nickel is in 3d8 state and 2 electron loss, because Cl is weak ligand, weak field ligand, so no pairing is, so it is having 2 unpaired electron. That is why sp3 hybridization, and these are Cl negative ions are occupied by this, so sp3 hybridization. Same case in ammonia. Nickel, ammonia is ligand and nickel is the this 2 positive. And see here NiNH3 whole 4 2 positive. This is tetraamine nucleate. This is strong field ligand, so it is having dsp2 hybridization. Nickel carbonyl we have discussed that it is having the dsp2